Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So in this video we are going to discuss about doctrine of constructive notice. Ever outsider dealing with a company is deemed to have notice of the content of the memorandum and the articles of association. These documents on registration with the registrar assume the character of public document. This is known as constructive notice of memorandum and articles. The memorandum and the articles are open and accessible to all. It is a duty of every person dealing with a company to inspect these documents and see that it is within the power of a company to enter into proposed contract. Section 399 Clause 1 of the Companies Act 2013 presumes inspection, production and evidence of document kept by registrar. It provides that the memorandum and article, when registered with the registrar of company, become public document and then they can be inspected by anyone on payment of nominal fee. Therefore, any person who competence entering into a contract with a company has the meaning of ascertaining and thus presumed to know the power of the company and the extent to which they have been delegated to the director. In the other words, every person dealing with a company is presumed to have read these documents and understood them in their true perceptions. This is known as doctrine of constructive notice. The Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association are two most important documents need to be registered and incorporated of a company. The Memorandum of Association of a company contains the fundamental conditions upon which alone the company has been incorporated. According to Section 2, Clause 59 of the Companies Act 2013 defines the memorandum, meaning the memorandum of association of a company has as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of some previous company laws or of this act. According to Palmer, the Memorandum of Association is a document of a great importance, is related to the purposed company. It contains the objects of which the company is founded and therefore identifies the possible scope of its operation scope of its operation beyond which its action cannot go. The article of association of a company are its bylaws or the laws and regulation that governs the management of its internal affairs and the conduct of its business. According to Section 2, Clause 5 of the Companies Act 2013, articles means the article of association of a company and originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any provisions company's law or the present act. Both Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association are public document according to Section 610 of the Act. These documents become public document as soon as they get registered and can be accessible by any member of the public under the provisions of the Act. The rule of constructive notice extend not merely to memorandum and articles but also to all such documents as they are required to be registered with the registrar of companies. There is, however, no constructive notice of documents which are filed with the registrar as companies for the sake of record only. The effect of the doctrine of constructive notice is harsh on the outsider who has business with a company. An outsider who dealt with a company is deemed to have constructive notice of the concern of the content of the document of the company. An outsider cannot claim relief on the ground that he was unaware of the power of the company in case of ultra-vires of the company. The doctrine of constructive notice is more or less an unreal doctrine. It does not take notice of an realistic of a business life. People know a company through its officials and not through its document. The court in India do not seem to have taken it seriously through. For example, in the case of Dehradun Masuri Electric Tramway Co. versus Jamal Das, the Allahabad High Court allowed the overdraft income of the managing agent of a company where under the article the directors has no power to delegate their browsing power. So I hope you find the video informative, so please like, share and subscribe.